What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm at Parna Road, which is...
learn to spell words.
It's Parna, right?
Calling Prana Cafe, calling Parna.
What is this?
Para Road, Parana.
Oh, Para. Oh, Jesus, take two. Today I decided to wear my specs so that I could see Goa with a clear vision. On the last day, I know I was supposed to do it on the start of the trip, but I completely forgot. I really wanted to just walk on the streets. I look so dumb with the specs, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I may just cry right now. I love trees. All of my friends were expecting me to be drunk because I wasn't picking up their call on my birthday. I'm like, y'all know I'm busy at the beach. I am not someone who might just get drunk at Goa. I know alcohol is cheap here, way too cheap. I just kept drinking the Bacardi Lemon, which was so good. Look at my voice, I'm so calm right now. Looking at the space. Yeah, so I kept drinking the Bacardi Lemon. I tried a little bit mocktails. The green martini was nice. It was tasty. That's all. Look at this. I got Tia's bracelet. I told her, please give me. And she took a pause. And with a heavy heart, she said yes. She's a carbon copy of me. Very selfish, won't share things. Why don't I dress like this in Mumbai? I look so pretty right now. I've taken so much effort to get dressed up here in Goa. I felt like a total different person, like a prettier version of me. Tomorrow I have to start working. Yeah. Kullu visited Goa and she wanted to click a picture of that road, which is Para Road, Love You Zindagi one. And she couldn't because there were a lot of Delhi aunties waiting. So now she told us to just go there and click a Polaroid picture. First of all, it's not possible. Even right now, there are going to be a lot of people on that road. And that song is so catchy. It's stuck in my head since so many days. That song, Love You Zindagi, and wo Main Tera, oh my god, I don't know. I hate you Instagram for that, for those two songs. Para Road, please don't be crowded. So scary, I kept my phone like this. Imagine a bumper here and then whoop. It has support of my thighs. I can already see a lot of tourists here waiting. Oh my god. Oh guys, did you see that? Did you see that posing skills? Much better than me. The confidence with the slow-mo. Oh my god. Welcome to the vlog guys. Today I'm at Para Road. It's so amazing. Oh my god, so beautiful. I took a lot of photos and I tell you, I totally feel like Alia Bhatt right now. The road is a little bit hype, but I don't care, If Alia Bhatt was here and Shah Rukh Khan was here, look at the mountain trees. I'm so sorry, coconut trees. They are so nice, I tell you. I just came from just to click pictures here, not to enjoy the nature, but who cares? We are photogenic people and it's so good. And I had coconut water and had a photo shoot. I got 2, 3, 4 different outfits with my dress and with my hat. I just can't get over this road. Do you even know how much cringe you're gonna get when you're gonna edit this footage? I look so hot right now. I look hotter than Alia Bhatt. No makeup. Is this overacting or what?
Nothing.
Do you know why the cafes in Goa are so cute?
Why?
Well, there's so much greenery.
What is how much?
There's so much greenery.
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 How do you spell greenery?
Greenery.
Okay, thank God you said the Y.
I was going to say Mary. That's the reason you asked me for the spelling.
I don't understand when people say, oh, Goa sucks, Goa is so commercial, oh, Manali sucks, Manali is so commercial. Dude, you need to have the patience to explore outside. It's not Baga and Kalangut only in Goa. I'm not going to tell the name of the beaches that we went to. Because I don't want your fuckers to come over there and ruin these places.
We can share with the audience, they're nice.
So go to Kalcha Beach.
And a
Kalacha
sweet
Beach.
lake.
Kalacha Beach. Kalacha Beach.
It's right near Arambol
When you
Beach
go to Arambol Beach,
and Mojim Beach.
you have to go through a small market at the end of Arambol Beach, and you will go through rocks and stuff, and you will reach to Kalacha Beach, which is the most. Oh my God! It doesn't feel like you're in Goa.
Guys, this is just between us.
It was beautiful. There was no road. There was there were no car honks. There were no Activa honks. It was just the beach and rocks and the mountain.
William, you should do a podcast regarding this. The way you're talking.
I would love to do it. Stop going to the commercial area and stop ruining the name of a place just because of the commercial area.
Goa is way too beautiful. I'm just already imagining if I was in Goa, I would have cycled so many places. I would have run to so many places. I would have enjoyed it so much. I used to be a bitch. I used to tell my friends, why do we need to go to a cafe and spend like 150 and 200 rupees on a cappuccino or a coffee? Now, like after working in a coffee company and now after exploring coffees at different cafes, the beans are expensive. They're 100% Arabica, and that's the reason they're not expensive. So like paying 200 rupees for a coffee, it's not expensive. It's good as fuck. I'm gonna get a pressure after drinking this coffee and I need to find a washroom, but that's the fun, you know? It's all about the fun. Guess who's back in Mumbai? I'm already sweating. But I hope you guys enjoyed the Goa vlogs. I really enjoyed in Goa. I got to see so many new places, new beaches. I'll add all the places. Make sure that every time you go to Goa, you visit the beaches. Also, thank you guys so much for all your wishes. Yeah, it was my birthday, for people who don't know, on 19th of Jan. It was Ovalida's 24th birthday. I mean, they will know after watching this vlog because I did mention that I had my birthday. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. So before ending the vlog, I would like to give a shout out to Vineet. He asked for a shout out, we give for a shout out. And if you guys want to be in the next shout out, don't forget to comment down below, or you can comment on my recent Instagram picture and you can be in the next shout out. That's all guys. See you guys, in Mumbai till the next trip. Obviously I will vlog in the middle.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah, walk down like
How is that possible that you come to Goa and you don't come to the Para Road? I don't understand how people skip it. Like y'all don't.
If you give this accent one more time, if you vlog one more time with this accent,
Okay.
my hand and your cheeks.
Do you think I ever listen to you?
get used to, yeah, go back to June blues.